Guys, this is our new blender. Let's see how it functions. My friend is coming. We are going out for relaxing soon. Oh no, maybe I'm gonna also get it. I'm a baby and I'm off on. Okay, I say back on. Oh my god. Wow. Very fast. This is fresh juice. You know, not how they eat fruit like that, and they like to eat them when it dey fresh. I know they do fresh juice, so I'll put them for rubber, put for fridge. Guys, go and order this blender. This blender is $1 million. Just, you know, even give me stress. Imagine, don't blend. Imagine. Go and order yours. Check the link below. Waiting the wait. It's done. It's dust and done. No need. You don't finish. Now for me to come put them for rubber and I put for fridge. You understand? If Odogu come back and I go see cold juice to drink, nobody shine. Hey, Chideke, Nalekwe, nobody kega, EJ Vega, or nobody kega. So, more than look at the shame you. At one point, I never get those rubber. My friend will soon come in and I don't get new friend. This one I'm not sure. I'm also. It's better than I go buy saccharin drink it. You just come out one rubber. I'm going to put it inside fridge. You to be cold. I will drink. Another thing with me is to clean my kitchen. I need to pour. Hey, she said 5 minutes. She will reach here. 5 minutes. I might pour this one for glass keeper. Then I never get the password. I don't want anything to see because of this kitchen. I don't like that. See? So now guys, this one is done. Let me keep my camera like this. When I don't mind my house, I never get new. Now this is my house. They say she's living in a very wretched house. She's not ashamed of herself. Shame of waiting when some people still they cook for firewood. Did they please? And they do fast, make her go taffy. You see me, my life. I could put this thing here, make it. We get more. If you cook clean, now they do now. If you eat, wash your plate too. Before 5 minutes, we will scatter the law. Now just my front here, now they go. She's coming to meet me. You know they go for just to start around Jeeves. I don't get good new friend to way bad like me. Mama go see her social media people, God forbid. If you don't like me, many people like me. So here, I just preparing to go outside. I don't like supermarket juice, no. I like to do by myself, no matter how small it is, because that supermarket juice, the kind of saccharin they used to pour inside the Mamma Mia, the thing is too much. Anyway, I was showcasing my good watch for my fans, now my ring and my earring, you understand? So we are debating about jewelry. Some people say they know they feel wear bead. They disturb them for blood. Some say they know they feel wear watch. Me, if I put watch for my hand, it go just off. But this one, I go to where they sell watch. I spend a lot of money. I tell that woman, say this is my problem. She call exactly, she's okay. Oyibo dey know everything. He can't go bring now my good watch. Come this one and my good ring. He can't tell me say anything will not be good or pure goat sleeve. And back I know they put them for my skin. My body don't like. And when they first tell me this thing, I laugh. If I tell person say my best cream where they rub for my house here, na Vaseline, he go say na lie or oil. If I want do guy, I'll buy this Elizabeth Andrew, that cream. Now they use. I know they use with others they use because my body don't need anything will get too much alcohol. No, I know they put them for my skin, guys. So now that cream